There you go, that's our Chicken Keema Masala. Just look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Rick. Today we're doing Chicken Keema Masala. Basically a chicken mince curry. That's what it is. Let's do it. Pan on. In there with some ghee. Now you want a good couple of tablespoons of ghee in there, or butter or oil, up to you. We're using ghee. It's a fairly quick one this, to be honest. Bay leaf in there, green cardamom, black cardamom, a little bit of cinnamon. Izzy wizzy, about 30 seconds, no more. In there, onions. Nice little stir around. Want a golden on this, caramelize them, don't burn them. Now we're going to try and put a light caramelization on here, which gives us that sweetness and that depth of flavour. So nice and steady. Going to take at least 7-8 minutes. In there, salt. A little bit of salt in there, help draw out that moisture. Now I've got an optional ingredient. I've got a sprig of curry leaves here off the tree outside. So we're going to have those in there. Optional. They don't have to be in. You don't have to look for any to put in. So just keep working your onions. A little bit of caramelization going on there. Come on. Okay, in there, green chilies. Clear yourself a space. Nice tablespoon of garlic ginger paste in there. It's a wonderful smell going on in here. Just cook out the rawness of the garlic and ginger. And then what we're going to do is turn down the heat when we've given this a little bit of a cooking, so we can add the hing, turmeric and our powders, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder. Okay, turn it down and I'll just show you. That's virtually nothing, but it's enough to cook the spices. A little bit of hing in there, turmeric, coriander powder, cumin, red chili powder. So we'll just have that brought in. Nice and gently, we want to bloom these. Get the best out of our spices before turning it all the way in. We've got a nice little bloom going on there, look. Can you see all that lovely oil cooking all those spices out? Nothing is burning. Just leave it a little turn in. Let's just coat all that up now, eh? That is fabulous. Come on. In there, tomato. Turn up the heat a little bit. Start to cook this tomato to mush. Now if you have to add a splash of water, add it. Now it doesn't have to be too high to cook this out. We're going to add about a tablespoon of tomato puree, tomato paste. That's going to give us a nice underlying tomato-ness in there. We're just going to give that a little stir through, and then we're going to add a little splash of water whilst these tomatoes break down. Okay, once you've got some oil separation going on like that, these tomatoes are quite mushy, some are still a little bit firm, but there you go. In there with our chicken mince. Straight in there. Start to cook that off. Now this is where you come up on the flame again a little bit to start to cook this in there. Looks like scrambled egg at the moment, doesn't it? But it will cook. Just give it a time. Okay, turn the flame down again. We don't want it too hot. It can just nicely sizzle away there, and then we're going to start putting in yoghurt, curd. Okay, what we're going to do is introduce yoghurt a little at a time. Just bring it in nice and gently. We don't want this to curdle. Just let it cook in there a little minute. Just starting to get some separation with the oil again there, look. And we'll add a bit more curd. Take your time with the curd. Okay, we want to be going in there with some coriander. We're going to give it a couple of minutes with the coriander in there. Save a little bit to go over at the end. Stir that in. Now if you can see those bay leaves, which obviously we can pull those. We don't need those. In there with some garam masala, a little stir through. Smells absolutely sensational. Just give it a minute. We're going to turn it off. We're going to let it rest for about 3 or 4 minutes, and we'll serve it up. That looks super. Can you see the oil coming through there? Look, perfect. Come on there. A little bit of coriander. There you go, that's our Chicken Keema Masala. Just look at that. So there's an easy tasty one right there. Chicken mince, come on. In we go, straight in there. My mouth is watering. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful dish. That is cracking. Obviously you can taste all those spices through there. It's not spicy, you know. We could do with some more chili in there, to be honest, but that's how it goes. Oh, and obviously serve it whatever you like. You know, I've got rice here, as you can see. That is just superb. Nice little bit of pickle with this. Onion chutney, mango pickle. Oh, perfect, perfect dish. I'm not going to be able to stop eating this. There you go. That is how you make Chicken Keema Masala. It's sensational. Don't forget, if you don't have the curry leaves, don't put them in. Oh. It's an unbelievable dish. It's an unbelievable dish. So easy from chicken mince. Come on, everybody can cook this. There you go. If you like what we're doing, the big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.